Okay, this is a Lexus RX330 wire harness. Now this car has a burnt wire harness, and we are doing a wire harness replacement on this RX330 Lexus 2006-2005 model. In this particular car, the wire harness caught fire and messed up a lot of wire harness on this car. So we go to the owner's place, we checked one or two things, and the owner told us that the car was, while they were driving home, they noticed the car was overheating, and before they got home they also noticed smoke coming out from the hood, which is the bonnet, and they opened the hood and discovered that smoke was coming out from the fuse box, which they have to park the car to come and check the car. But thank God that the fire wasn't too serious. It was just the wire harness that caught fire. So we are trying to first of all trace all the affected areas. We are tracing all the affected areas, and so that we'll know which we will be doing a replacement on. So we started doing the proper check. We're doing a check now. We're doing a check. We're checking all the parts, all the areas, all the places of all the places where the harness are joint. So we are trying to check if there's any one that is, we're getting to discover a lot of affected ones now. We are discovering a lot of affected ones. So we also have to loosen the wiper head so that we can have enough space. So we can have enough space to do this job. We're going to do a proper job. We'll ensure everything is going to come out clean and nice. As you can see, this is the sensor wire, the crankshaft sensor wire, the oxygen sensor wire, and also this is the oxygen sensor wire. And this was, according to my investigation, according to my check, I discovered that this is actually what got this car, what got this wire harness on fire. I think there was a leakage. There was a leakage in that part, in that place, in this particular oxygen sensor in front, down beneath the AC compressor there. I think that was what triggers the whole burning. So I'm trying to check one by one now to see the affected ones. We're checking now. So that single wire without. I think this is the day 3. We don't see where they go. Oh, this job, yeah. This is the day 3. We started doing a replacement already. As you can see, we already started taking some of those wires. Taping the wires to ensure that there's no leakage in it. Started taping and come up. Doing the replacement. Never come up. Started that already. Taping the wires now. This video is very it's we have to manage the time. We have to manage the time to put everything together. It's not everything we're able to display here on the video, but as you can see, we just want to give you an idea of what really happened and how we went about it. We've already done the replacement and we started taping the wires. So this is what we do now. Now I'm taking you inside to see what also happened here. But though the fire didn't get to the dashboard. Glory be to God, thank God. But what happened was that because of the fire, there was an issue with the computer. So we had to do a computer replacement. You see that in a short while now. Where we actually made a replacement on the computer. We had to replace the computer with another one. We are still checking, we are still doing replacement and align the wires. Taking them as well. Okay, I'm allowed to that one actually supposed to go hello. Now. Okay, now we've done the replacement on the computer. This is the old computer. This is the new one. That's the old one. You can see this is the old one. Just still with the hanger. This is the new one. We just hang it there. We're not done yet, so just hang it there so that we can test and try to see if it will work. But we believe it will work, and it actually works. So, but that particular computer we use on this car is a free code computer. If you are conversant with the two types of computer, we have the code computer and we have the free code computer. So we actually went for the free code computer. That was the one we used. So I think this is actually day 4. Yeah, day 4. This is day 4, day 5. So but we did the job. We gave ourselves time. We're not in a hurry. We took our time to do this job. The job took us exactly 7 days. Or 6 days rather. 6 days. The job took us 6 days to complete. We took our time. So as you can see, everything is already clean. Everything is already coming out nice. So putting back all those parts that we removed before. As you can see, we're almost done with this part. Workshop, you know that. Abi. Almost done with this part. It took us 6 days to complete this job. 6 days. This is I think this is the day. This is the day 5. This is the day 5. I can see my torches coming up. Just my flashlights was up just like that. Means that it was almost getting to dark. So that was day 5. Those the 6 we completed everything.
Cross that one first. Boy.
This lobby.
Almost done this time.
Boy.
Almost done. Now, for this, like I said, the owner we're talking about overeating. But I wasn't really sure it was overeating. But I believe, sometimes people see smoke coming out and they think it's overeating. It was really that overeating that caused this fire.
Long time to tie that one up.
It's actually the sense. So I have to trace it because, when you are dealing with things like this, you don't just repair, you don't just fix. You first of all find out what happened, what caused the fault, what caused that issue. If you don't find out what caused the issue, it can happen again. And apart from that, you can damage the computer. You have to do proper harness alignment first before you put in your new computer. Else, your computer can be damaged. So you have to ensure you do proper check first on the harness, the wires, ensure everything is intact before you put a new computer. If not, you have to buy, you keep on buying computers, and computer is kind of expensive, so it's not something you just do without checking very well first. So I have to do a proper check, and that was where I got to discover that the oxygen sensor was having a leakage, two exposed parts on the harness. So somehow I think they stick together, and that was working. And that wire, that sensor, oxygen sensor wire is coming straight from the computer. You understand? So that was what triggers the fire. So then we also did a change of cooling fan. We have to replace the complete cooling fan because the owner also told me that one of the fan was also failing.
You leave this one, I never tip on. You want to know whether they go the right side?
The fan was also failing, so I have to do a complete change of fan. I just replaced both of them because I didn't want to have any issue whatsoever concerning overheating again. So we did a complete replacement of the cooling fan, both sides, with the blades, the hole and reservoir, everything just come together like that. As you can see, this is brand new. So this is the D6. It's the D6. So on the 7th day, I have to return the car to the owner. On the 7th day. Even right now, the engine is running now. The engine is running already. So I'm just showing, moving around to check for any, to ensure everything is okay. The engine is running already. The job was easy, guys. Nothing much. We just did a harness replacement, ensure everything is intact, all the wires are going, to the right place. We are doing trying to take the farm wire there. Putting farm wire.
They notice that fan.
So he's trying to take it.
They hide the low.
Leakage. We are putting water in the
they cook it.
we're trying to fill it on top of water. Inside. Finally, we are done. So, can you hear the sound of the engine?
No. Huh? No, put on.
I have to change the battery and put back the car battery to charge it up. While we are doing this job, the car battery
Tighten this one.
went down. Car battery ran down, so I have to be using another battery. But now that we are done, the engine is on, so we have to put back the main battery. So it was a clean job. Now this is the 7th day. This is the day I returned the car. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and also share. You can share this video to as many people as you want to share the video to, for education, for information, and for enlightenment. So just do us well to like the video, share, and comment. Don't also forget to comment on the video. Thank you very much for watching our video. Thank you so much. We do appreciate you. Thank you so very much.
Daniel. Keep that cable for me. Keep the cable for me.
Here, make them here. Don't go tell anybody, say you see me for here. It's not only me, you know, say I know what they care. Just like everybody, I wish.
Thanks for watching.